2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.